What's going on, everybody? We about to get this started. Nothing but some money out there. Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? Back with another quick video. We about to get it in. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna try to go up here. I'm probably gonna be unsuccessful because every time I try to go to this specific Firestone, because it's right by the house, to get this inspection, they always have an excuse. It's like there's only one person at the shop who does inspections. It's like, it seems like that, and he's only there like 2 or 3 days out the week. It's kind of weird. So I'm gonna go and see. Yeah, so we're gonna go up here and we're gonna attempt to get this inspection. I've had the renewal notice for like almost 2 weeks, and I put it off going to get it done, and I need to stop putting it off. I should need to go get it done because next week is going to be a busy week, obviously. See if they can do this inspection. That way I don't have to waste time next week and try to figure out a day next week to get it done before Thanksgiving Thursday, because people are just going to be trying to, like, obviously take off and stuff like that. So I want to get it done before the 1st, because one thing that I hate, I don't want to have to go back up to the DPS office to get the damn registration done, man. It's just a waste of time. So if you miss the window where you can do it online and renew it online, then you're gonna be in for a terrible treat when you gotta go take your ass up there to DPS. a new sign too. I wonder what happened. Baby, I try. Alright, so let me go in there and actually just ask first if anybody's doing inspections today, so I don't waste my time. I don't even want to take off all this gear. I'm gonna just find out if they're doing them today. Hello. Just trying to find out if y'all doing inspections today. Okay, thank you. Yes, ma'am. I was like, before I take off all my gear and all this, so let me find out if y'all can do them today. Yo, what up, what up, what up? We just got done with our state inspection, so we are good to go. We are good to go, baby. We got the inspection done. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. You ride too or not?
I wish.
Hey.
When I was growing up, I asked for a motorcycle. My dad got me a moped.
Hey, I wanted a moped so bad, man, when I was little, and I never got one. And then I finally got my first bike after high school, and I've just been riding ever since. So I try to stay safe.
To save yourself from us crazy drivers?
That too, yes, that too.
Do you do the trick?
No, mainly like motovlog, but mainly for safety, just in case, because stuff happens, man, and it'd be nice to have it on camera just in case, you know what I mean?
You be safe out there.
I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, you know what? Damn. I gotta take this back off. I gotta take it off real quick. Yeah, I'm glad I got up here to do it today, man. I kept putting it off. Last time I put it off with my freaking Harley Davidson, man, it was a nightmare. I had to go and wait in the DPS office. So this time, much different. But yeah, man, we gonna get it in. Hey, what's going on? Oh, you're good. Yeah. Yeah, promises. So yeah, man, we're gonna get back out. It's beautiful out today, man. Fresh off that inspection, baby. Feeling good. beautiful today, dude. This is like, for real, probably like one of the best days out. Man, I was trying to see if the boys is coming out, man. I think they're trying to get out around 1 o'clock today. Like I said, there's supposed to be a party today. I don't even know what time it is. I try to ask what time the party thing was today. So we can kind of rally around that and figure out what's going on. I'm by myself today for the weekend. Wife is out of town with one of my daughters because she had a soccer tournament in Arkansas and in Oklahoma. So it's me and my other two today. So I just want to make sure that if I'm out, usually police over there. That was pretty quick though. It was not bad at all. I'm glad it didn't take long. And I was gonna go earlier and I didn't. That clutch work. Yeah, I'm the reincarnated Tupac. Yeah. Hurry up. Go get it. Oh, yeah, let's go. Oh, man. It's right here. There. Go get your key. Yeah. I forgot I told him when I came back we were gonna go ride around the neighborhood, so I told him we would go ride around the neighborhood, and Well, awesome. All right, let me get this on. Just wait, it's a car coming. Just wait, it's a car coming right now. Go ahead. Yeah, so I told him when I come back, we'd go hit the streets of the neighborhood. Told him we'd hit the streets. Go ahead. Oh, is it still low? It's not going? It's just not what? Okay, I mean, we don't go far because I don't want it to stop. Hopefully it don't stop. I don't want to go too far. If we go around the neighborhood and it stops, can't carry it back. That's a long push back home. So let's not go too far. Come on. Stay on this side.